Come on. Come. 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 Good. So today is 9th of April and it's a good day. It's very chilly now. We're camping tonight and yeah, I have my dogs. So let's see. I hope the camping goes well. Yeah.
I started out from Texas about a year ago. I started out to make myself a name. I'm going back to Texas. My heart is sad and sore. My weary feet are getting mighty lame. I'm going back to my good old Texas home, 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 down by the sleepy Rio Grande, where the lonesome turtle dove is grieving and the moon is shining on the sand. Going back where the longhorn cattle roam, 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 and your best friend is your bronco and your gun. And you know I'll never more be leaving Texas, all my rambling days are done. All around this city, could not find a friend, looking for someone that I know. Never mind your pity, I don't need it, friend. Going home, never more to roam. I'm going back to my good old Texas home, 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 down by the sleepy Rio Grande, where the lonesome turtle dove is grieving and the moon is shining on the sand. Going back where the longhorn cattle roam, 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 and your best friend is your bronco and your gun. And you know I'll never more be leaving Texas, all my rambling days are done.
Good dog. Come here.
Up before the sunrise, it's a rocky road back home. The dust won't be near settled as where we just come from. I'll keep my promise to you, just like I said I would, and lay you neath the pecan tree and hang your spurs for good. Say goodbye to Montana, where the northers always blow. The paintbrush will be blooming by the time I get.
Gloria, I smell it on your breath. Gloria, booze and peppermint. Gloria, no one said enough is enough. Gloria, they found you on the floor. Gloria, my hand was tied to yours. Gloria, did you finally see that enough is enough? Did you know me when I was younger than I could take the whole world with me? I would find myself feeling alone. Heaven help me now, heaven show the way, get me back on my own 2 feet. I would lie awake and pray you don't lie away from me. Gloria, you crawled up on your cross.
We just came back inside because it was raining, and I just changed my clothes because I got wet. And these 2 babies are with me. Yeah, it's our night time. We had our dinner. I fed them, and yeah, after an hour I guess we're gonna sleep. And tomorrow morning, like we're planning to wake up at 5:30, and we'll be heading back to our home. And yeah, it's raining outside. It feels really good. When I found myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. So yes, morning. So it was raining last night, and it was getting pretty chilly. It was cold. Yeah, we slept, and yeah, I'm gonna feed them a bit, and I'm gonna feed them a little bit, and we're gonna head back to our homes. I have to pack my tent also. Thank you. Yeah. Sit.
We're alone, Donny gal, in the rain and hail, driving them doggies down the trail. Rain or shine, sleet or snow, me and my Donny gal, we're bound to go. We ride the range from sun to sun. A cowboy's work is never done. Rain or shine, sleet or snow, me and my Donny gal are bound to go.
So yeah, this is the end of my today's video. Yes, yesterday night was very cold. It was raining whole night, so it got pretty cold. I had to wear my jacket, and it was a good morning, and I packed my stuff, and now we are heading back to our lives. Yeah, and yeah, this is the end of my vlog, and see you next time. Bye.
Are bound to go. Swim in rivers long